Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm going to do some absolutely gorgeous canvas sandwiching, but it's the colour that just blew me away with these. So it was super easy technique, definitely a great technique to do if you're a beginner, but also you just get such lovely results. As long as your paint consistency is not too runny and it don't get competing colours that they turn to mud. So try and think about your colours or get yourself a colour wheel, which is always helpful at putting colours together. But yeah, so as you can see, I started off with this teal base and then I'm just working on the colours that I think will look really lovely with these dip and slides. So it's got the white, as you see, my champagne gold, that is that berry delicious, the real dark aubergine colour, eggplant, and I'm going to put in some fluoro. I think that one's that one's magenta. Have got some fluoro orange there, but I don't think I put it in these particular ones. And then so easy and simple, definitely, as I said, for beginners, lovely to do with children, and just really nice and relaxing doing it in your own time. Yeah, you give it that nice firm push down. As long as your paint's the correct consistency, you won't squidge all your paint out. So just to make sure that your canvas is completely covered, you can even spin the canvas over to transfer the paint onto the second canvas and then back again. So yeah, I'm just preparing the little baking stands that don't get used for baking, obviously, they get used for my art, and then gently. Oh, wow, wow, wow. That is super gorgeous. Really lovely. Look at those colours. Those worked absolutely beautiful together. So super happy with them. Now going in for the second sandwich. So we get 3 canvas sandwiches, 3 for the price of 1. There you go. We'll do a little spin over. And again, you just press it all down. It's usually enough paint on them both to transfer to the next canvas. Like I said, if there's any areas of paint missing when you do reveal, you can always use your balloon to fill in the gaps. But yeah, this was super exciting to do because you never know. Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know which one you're going to get, and it's exactly the same with fluid art, and particularly these canvas dips. So now I'm going in for the twist. So this creates a whole sort of different effect, I found. See, wow, that is gorgeous. See, the twist has took away that dipped look around the edges and acted like it looks all sort of cloudy and dreamy. But that is gorgeous. Now I'm going in with my little balloon, just a deflated balloon with air in it, that particular one, and going in just doing a few balloon kisses. Because say you don't have to do as much as I'm doing, but as I say to you, it's your art, your rules, your way. Do what your heart feels is right. So I love these pieces. I have fully varnished them. They dried absolutely beautiful. They're quite stunning. So I do go on to do several large canvases in this technique, which you'll be seeing in the coming weeks if you haven't already seen. So super happy with the large canvases, I can tell you. I was really ecstatic. So hope you love them as much as I do. And please have a go. Try those colours if you like those colours. you know, go for it, use the same colours that I used, because I do get lots of people say to me that they're not good with colours and, you know, can I use the same colours? Of course you can, of course you can. That's what I do these for, just to inspire you a little bit and have fun, therapy and relaxation. Okay, my lovelies, please take care. There will be a bonus video at the end of this with the same kind of style, different colours again, so enjoy. But remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. Don't suffer in silence. Bye for now.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to